Every day, 10 million people work in transportation across Europe alone. Every day, accidents happen that could be prevented. Every day, billions are wasted on inefficient routes and unnecessary maintenance. But what if artificial intelligence could change all of that? What if I told you that the future of transportation isn't just about faster cars or bigger trucks, but about intelligence that can predict, protect, and perfect every journey we take? Today, we're diving into how AI is transforming transportation from the ground up, turning what was once science fiction into everyday reality. Imagine never having to worry about unexpected breakdowns again. Instead of waiting for parts to fail, predictive AI in transportation analyzes patterns in sensor data, vibrations, temperature changes, and usage history to predict maintenance needs, weeks or even months in advance. It's not just about preventing costly breakdowns, it's about extending asset life, reducing downtime, and keeping operations running smoothly. But prediction is just the beginning. From Tesla's pedestrian detection to Volvo's collision avoidance systems, AI is becoming the invisible co-pilot that never gets tired, never gets distracted, and never stops learning from every mile driven. But here's what's really fascinating. AI isn't replacing human drivers, it's making them superhuman. Driver monitoring systems can detect if you're tired, distracted, or not wearing your seatbelt. They're watching your eye movements, your head position, even whether you're on your phone. So how do you actually implement this in your business? The key isn't to jump into expensive custom solutions. Start by asking the right questions. What manual processes could AI enhance? How ready is your data? Do you have the internal expertise, or should you partner with AI specialists? But here's what many companies overlook. How will AI integrate with your existing systems? Can your current infrastructure handle the growing demands as you scale? These questions about integration and scalability often determine whether your AI investment becomes a game changer or an expensive experiment. Want to build your own AI strategy for transportation? We've detailed everything from data readiness assessments to implementation frameworks, plus real case studies from companies already succeeding with AI. Head over to Euristiq.com and read our complete guide. And if you're ready to discuss your specific AI transportation project or need expert consultation, reach out to Euristiq. We'll help you navigate from strategy to implementation.